Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can log into Hotmail account. For that, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. Then once you open any web browser, on the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Just click on it. Then you'll need to search for Hotmail. After you enter Hotmail, just press on enter on your keyboard. Then on the top you can see the Microsoft Outlook personal email and calendar. Just click on it. Then this Microsoft Outlook page will be open. Then here on the screen you can see the sign in option. Just click on it. Then your sign in page will be open. You just need to enter your email, phone or Skype. After you enter your details, you'll need to click on the next option here, or at the bottom you can see the sign in option. Just click on it and you can choose any option here. You can either sign in with a security key, sign in with GitHub, or if you have forgotten your username, then just click on the forget my username and you can reset from here. You can go back if you don't want to do that, and simply you can enter your detail here and click on the next. Then you will be logging into your Hotmail account. This was it guys. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.